Good morning, boys and girls. Yesterday during our class meeting, we went over the names of patterns. Today we are going to be working on finding the name of each pattern. At the top of the page there is a spot for our name, and we want to train our hand on how to write our name inside the lines and nice and as neatly as we can. Okay. So, the directions say, look at the pattern in each row. Circle the letters that name the pattern and color the pictures to match the pattern. Make your own winter patterns in the last two rows. That's a lot of different directions. That's okay though. So for these ones, we don't have to add on to them, but we're going to be looking at, each one has two options, and we're going to be looking at which one is the right name. So for this top one, we have penguin, bunny, penguin, bunny, penguin, bunny, penguin, bunny. Does that sound like an ABB pattern, or does that sound like an AB pattern? Remember, we name our patterns using the letters of the alphabet, and the first object in our pattern is A, and every object that matches this first one is A, and then once we get to a different object, we go to the next letter in the alphabet. So we have penguin, A, bunny, B, back to penguin. So is that ABB or AB? It's an AB pattern, right? ABB would be if it's penguin, bunny, bunny, penguin. But it's penguin, bunny, penguin, bunny. So we're going to circle AB. We're going to name all of the patterns first, okay? All right, for this next one, we're looking to see, is it an ABC pattern or is it an AAB pattern? Let's see. Snowflake, hat, mittens. Snowflake, hat, mittens. Which one do you think that this is? It's an ABC pattern. It would be an AAB pattern. Hi. Are you already? Okay, I kind of forgot where I left off at, but it's an ABC pattern. It would be an AAB pattern if there was two snowflakes and then something else. It would be snowflake, snowflake, hat, snowflake, snowflake, hat. But we have three different things in a row. Snowflake, hat, mittens, and then we go back to snowflake, so it's ABC. Let's look at this one with the snowmen and the Christmas trees. Is this one an ABB pattern or an AAB pattern? Ooh, this tells me that we're looking to see which one repeats itself. Is it the second object that repeats itself twice, or is it the first object that repeats itself twice? Let's look. Snowman, snowman, Christmas tree. Snowman, snowman, Christmas tree. It's the snowman that repeats himself, so is he B or A? The snowman is A, so this pattern's name is AAB. You guys are so smart. You're doing such a great job. All right, let's look at Christmas trees and penguins. We have the same options as we did up here, so something is going to repeat itself twice again. Is it going to be the second object for B, or is it the first object for A? Let's see. Christmas tree, penguin, penguin, Christmas tree, penguin, penguin. Which one repeats itself twice, the Christmas tree or the penguin? The penguin. And is the penguin B or A? You're right, it's B because the Christmas tree is first. So the Christmas tree is A. So our pattern would be ABB. Good job, guys. Ooh, this one's trying to trick us. This one's trying to trick us. Look at our A and our B. They're both penguins, but do they look the same? They don't look the same. This one has a hat on, and this one has earmuffs. So we have hat penguin, earmuff penguin, Christmas tree, hat penguin, earmuff penguin, Christmas tree. These are both penguins, but they don't look the same. So is this an AAB pattern or an ABC pattern? This one's super tricky. Did you say ABC pattern? If so, you are right. I can see why someone would say AAB pattern because these are both penguins. But we have to look that they're not the same. It's only the letter only repeats itself if this is the exact same as this, and they are not the exact same. So this is a separate letter, A, B, C. Let's look down here at our snowflakes. We're looking to see, is this an AAB pattern or an ABB? Ooh, this one tells me that something's going to repeat itself twice again. I'm going to call this a light snowflake and this one a dark snowflake because this one isn't as thickly outlined. Light snowflake, dark snowflake, dark snowflake. Light snowflake, dark snowflake, dark snowflake. Light, dark, dark. Light, dark, dark. It's easier to hear it when there's less words. Light, dark, dark. Light, dark, dark. What is the name of this pattern? ABB, right? Because the dark snowflake is the one that repeats itself. Great job. Okay, down here on these two lines, you get to make your own pattern. You can try to draw a picture that looks like this if you want to, but really, I would probably just use circles that were different colors because that would be easiest for me. But you can make them however you want and then name your pattern. Okay, name your pattern. But what I do want to show you is it says color the pictures to match the pattern. What that means is that if I color this first penguin's hat orange, I also have to color this penguin's hat orange. Because remember when we got down here and we had two penguins but they weren't the same, if we don't color our pattern in the same, then our pattern is not the same name because they are not exactly the same. Our pieces have to be exactly the same. So our penguins have to be colored exactly the same for it to be an AB pattern. If I colored this penguin pink, that would throw another letter in our pattern. And we already said that this is just an AB pattern. Okay, so I'm going to color my penguin in. You can use markers if you have them. You can use colored pencils or crayons. I don't usually color with marker because it bleeds through the paper. But I also don't color very darkly. Whoops, I forgot to color this guy's arm. Gotta color his other arm. But I also don't color very dark. So I try to use things that show up well when I use the document camera for you guys. Like I don't use pencils on the document camera a lot. So that way you guys can see it. For the sake of time, so you're not just watching me color, I'm going to be done coloring my penguin, and then I'm just going to color the bunny's belly. I hope that you add a little more color to each picture, but I don't want you to just watch me color. I want you to spend your time coloring and doing your work. Okay? So when you're coloring though, make sure that you're coloring each thing in the pattern the exact same. And then when you get down to the super tricky one, make sure that these two penguins look the same and that these two penguins look the same. Otherwise, our pattern is not an ABC pattern. Okay? Also, right here, these two penguins need to look the same. Everything that is this shape, everything that is the same shape needs to look the same in the pattern, because if I have a purple snowflake and then a blue snowflake, my pattern is not an ABC pattern. It would be an ABCD pattern, because this would not match this. Remember, a pattern repeats itself. Austin said it yesterday. I can't remember what word he used, but he used a great description of what a pattern does. So we have to make sure that our things look the exact same. I hope that you have fun coloring in your patterns and making your two very own patterns.